Well, as part of Colorado's comeback from the pandemic, healthcare workers are no longer required to get COVID vaccinations. The state set that mandate last year to try and stop the rising number of cases. Michael Abeyta spoke with our health department today. And Michael, does that mean someone who lost their job for refusing to take the vaccine can now get their job back?
Michael, they technically can, but they can't get a job just anywhere. In fact, they may not be able to get the same job they had when they left.
This time last year, COVID cases weren't surging like they are this summer. But even back then, Eric France, the chief medical officer for the Colorado Department of Health and Environment, worried a spike in cases was near. That's why in order to protect healthcare workers and their patients, the state implemented a vaccine mandate for healthcare workers.
Because over that last summer, vaccination rates seemed to have been flat. Only about 6 in 10 of healthcare workers were vaccinated.
CDPHE was right. The mandate pushed reluctant healthcare workers to get vaccinated, and when the spike came, they were protected.
Vaccination rates for staff members went up to almost 92, 93%.
This summer, COVID rates are once again rising, but because of that high vaccination rate among healthcare workers, CDPHE decided to drop the mandate, which could be good news for some.
Those who have chosen not to be vaccinated may indeed turn around and find opportunity to work, particularly in some of our rural settings.
But that doesn't mean the unvaccinated can work anywhere. Organizations still have the right to continue their own vaccine requirements. Plus, there's still a federal vaccine mandate for healthcare workers.
Many people work in facilities that are licensed by Medicare, and they are required by federal rule to be vaccinated.
Now, this is especially good news for nursing homes who have been struggling to find workers ever since this mandate went in and since the start of the pandemic, really. In Aurora, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.